How to add a Dual Clock widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next in here, tap on Widgets, and then we scroll down. After that, tap on Clock. Then in here, we scroll down and go to the Dual Clock section. And here there are 4 different widget size that you could choose. You got the 2x1, 2x2, 4x1, and 4x2. So select one of the size, and then you can tap on the add, or you can simply touch and hold and drag it to your home screen. So here I will drag it to place it here at the top. And after that, tap anywhere else on the outside of the box here to save the changes. Now to change the location of your clock, you can touch and hold on the clock, then tap on settings. And here you can choose the first city and then the second city. Here, let's say I tap on the city and I'll select the different cities. I can change it to over here. So we can choose Wellington and tap on change. And after that, you can also customize the background, day and night colors. We can change the transparency of the clock as well. Yeah, we can make it fully solid, then tap on saved. And that is how you can add a Dual Clock widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.